Hi there, so here we are back in Booby Do, and in today's video we are going to transform that wall there from having a very nice picture that we bought in
France, in
Concarneau. So that's going to go elsewhere, and we are going to decorate it with these butterflies that we've recycled from drinks cans. So we'll show you how to do that. So let's get on with it. Cheers. Right, so there we go. We've now transformed what was a very perfectly normal wall into a perfectly abnormal wall, just using some butterflies made out of recycled drinks cans.
attached by nails.
Attached by nails to make it look like a lepidopterist has done it. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would be amazing, because we're just going to be full of random stuff like this. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks very much.